Yeah, I'm steady thinking and reminiscing on you.
Boy, you know you hurt me and I don't know why. I could never leave you as much as I try. You play me for a fool, but you don't realize you'll never miss the water till the well runs dry. You didn't have a job, I was there every minute. When you needed my support, there was never a limit. Through the lies and the pain and the games and your women, I was right here from the very beginning.
I always think about you, look at what's become. I'm trying to make a living, different women in the club. See, everyone that calls you claims that we're in love, but baby, I done told you, see, above you there is none. I'm trying to make a call, but you don't seem to answer. Remember when the doc said Pops had cancer? Held me like a baby, like my private little dancer. Why you gotta leave? All you gotta do is answer. I miss you, miss you. Spitting rhymes and I'm sick of counting bars. I'm hearing the applause from the crowd as the lights go off. And looking at your picture, watch the light go off. I heard what you said the last time we spoke. Gotta keep my life in order, cause this world's a joke. Hope that we be in Miami laying back so cool. Didn't mean to hurt you, baby, when I act a fool.